Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some 2020 Topps Baseball Series 1. Got a hobby box, and it came with this free pack of cards that was taped to the hobby box. Let's see what's in here. I see Michael Jordan, which IPC, and Tiger Woods on the back. From the National Sports Collectors Convention 2018 Upper Deck. Let's see what's in here. Alright, we have a Michael Jordan, like you saw. Let's see the backs of these. Pretty sweet. LeBron James, nice. Serena Williams. Ben Simmons. And Tiger Woods. Pretty cool cards. 5 cards. Prominent cuts. Alright, let's get into this hobby box. I saw a lot of these opened already. I wasn't too impressed, to be honest with you. I don't care for the design too much, but I had to get one. We got our silver pack, which we'll open last, or a hobby exclusive pack. And we got a bunch of packs here. I'm going to try and go through this quick, because there is a lot of packs, it seems like. Alright, first pack. Let me know what you guys think. I kinda don't like that it's, sideways. I wish the names were either down here or up here. But anyway, that's the way it is. Alright, so our first card is Jonathan Villar. So if you guys haven't seen the backs. Alright, Robinson Cano. Julio Teheran. DJ LeMahieu. Seth Brown. Kenley Jansen. Gavin Lux. Luis Castillo. Yolma Sanchez. Zach Collins. Matt Carpenter. Blue Jays, Bo Bichette. That's a nice one. Rookie card. The 35th anniversary, 1985. We have a Jock Peterson. And a Future Stars, Jeff McNeil. Alright. We don't need to see the odds. If you guys could see, I'll show you the odds. Alright, let's start ripping. Aaron Judge. Cody Bellinger. Ryan Braun. Hanson Alberto. Brian Yarborough. Lewis Brinson. Alex Young, rookie card. Austin Hedges. Craig Kimbrell. Team card, Milwaukee Brewers. Christian and Nolan. Nice. New York Mets, 1960s, decade best. JT Riddle. And Shane Bieber. Michael Conforto, Anthony Rizzo, Nick Pivetta, Aaron Hicks, Jacoby Jones, Trey Turner, Jose Quintana, Like Father Like Son, Kevin Biggio, nice. Yasmani Grandal, Tyler Naquin. We have Decades Next, Ronald Acuna Jr. Insert. Austin Nola and Jesse Winker. Derek Dietrich, Matt Stram, Nolan Arenado, Aaron Savali, Cavale, James Paxton, Dylan Cease, Omar Narvaez, Lucas Giolito, Zach Gallen, rookie card, Jacob Waguspach, the Angels team card. And we have a rainbow foil of Jacob deGrom. Nice one. Nice Pete Alonso cup card. And a Kyle Schwarber. Justin Verlander. Aristides Aquino, Luis Garcia, Reese McGuire, Matt Thais, Dan Vogelbach, Ryujin Ryu, League Leaders card, Hollywood Heroes, Big Air, Big Hair. That's funny. Austin Barnes, Amir Garrett, Jordan Alvarez, nice rookie card, 85, 35th anniversary. That's a good one there. Hector Neris and Andrew Benintendi. Austin Riley, Trevor Richards, Kenta Maeda, Mike Yastrzemski, Mike Clevenger, Billy Hamilton, Hansel Robles, Lurie Garcia, Eduardo Rodriguez, Ryan Presley, Trent Grisham, Kurt Suzuki, Cesar Hernandez, and Anthony Santander. Carlos Rodon. I don't know if you guys like these cards. I don't know. I guess I'll get used to them like everyone else is saying, but Hunter Renfroe. I guess they'll look nice, the chrome versions. Kyle Hendricks, Gregory Polanco, Nicky Lopez, Sean Doolittle, Brandon Belt, Pete Alonso, League Leaders, Hope I could pull an auto out of here instead of a relic. Los Angeles Dodgers team card. Christian Yelich. Travis Demerty. Never heard of him. Houston Astros Decade's Best Team 2010s. I guess that's an insert. Mike Fiers. And a David Peralta. Rafael Devers. JT Realmuto. Zach Greinke. Merrill Kelly. Ken Giles. Tyler Glasnow. Johnny Cueto. Cleveland Indians team card. Oakland A's team card. You have received a Topps relic. Great, no auto. Oh well, what are you going to do? And it is George Springer. 35th. Alright, George Springer. I wanted an auto, but it seems like autos are hard to come by. Michael Pineda and Javier Baez. Unless you get a jumbo box. Which they were sold out. Taylor Rogers. Alex Bregman. Jeremy Jeffries. Carlos Santana. UCA Kikuchi. Mike Soroka. Adam Frazier. Tommy Edman. Robbie Grossman. Jalen Davis, rookie. I probably passed a lot of rookie cards. I'm going to have to go through these when I'm done. Tommy Pham. Jeff Bagwell, nice one. Jeff Bagwell. Chase Anderson. And a Christian Stewart. Jordan Alvarez, that's one I was looking for. Sweet. Clayton Kershaw. Raymond Laureano. Cole Calhoun. Josh Fegley. Blake Parker. Shane Green. Anthony Rendon, league leader. Andrew Chaffin. Jorge Soler, league leaders. Anthony Rendon. Christian Yelich. It'll look like a gold, but I guess it's regular league leaders. Christian Yelich. Actually, it is a gold because it's numbered there. Pretty cool. Jose Urquidy. And a George Springer. Jesus Luzardo. Carlos Correa. Brian Abreu. Miguel Cabrera. Jose Martinez. Randall Grichuk. Carson Kelly. Strasburg, league leader. Mitch Haniger. Juan Soto, nice. Tim Anderson, league leader. Insert 2010s, Decade's Best, Max Scherzer. A Jake Rogers, and a Whit Merrifield. A lot of packs. Rookie, Tyler Alexander. Daniel Murphy. Bobby Bradley, rookie. Christian Yelich, league leader. Paul Goldschmidt. J.P. Crawford. Kevin Pillar. Jose Abreu. Gleyber Torres. Garrett Cole, Caleb Smith, a Mike Trout, Sam Hillard, and Enrique Hernandez. Chris Davis, Ahmed Rosario, Andrew Kashner, Jacob deGrom, Eric Fetty, Tyler O'Neill, Trent Thornton, Max Muncy, Jackie Bradley Jr., Ian Kennedy, Max Kepler. Decade Next, Victor Robles, 2020. Insert Brandon Woodruff and Nelson Cruz. David Bodie, Chris Archer, Jose Peraza, Andres Munoz, Masters Apprentice, Max Scherzer, Gurriel Jr., Jameson Taillon, Andrew Miller, Boston Red Sox team card, Phillies team card, Rafael Devers, Yoan Moncada, and a Fermil Reyes. Kirby Yates, John Gray, Michael Brosseau, Tyler White, Danny Holtzen, Chance Sisco, Nick Solak, Jay Bruce, Manny being Manny, Daniel Megden, Zach Wheeler, Willie Mays, nice, pretty sweet, David Dahl, and Adbert Alzale, never heard of him. Alright, Andrew Heaney, AJ Puck, rookie, Sandy Alcantara, Francisco Lindor, Kyle Lewis, Bubba Stalling, JD Martinez, Max Scherzer, World Series, Emilio Pagan, Justin Verlander, League Leaders, Brock Holt, Zach Collins, rookie, Future Stars Michael Chavis, and Brian Anderson. Dustin May, look at that hair. Wow. Dustin May, rookie, Hunter Dozier, Nico Horner, Justin Turner, Robel Garcia, Patrick Corbin, Jesus Aguilar, Jorge Alfaro, German Marquez, Jake Lamb, Ben Gamble, Starling Marte, Yuli Gurriel, Michael Baez. Jose Berrios, Luke Jackson, Mike Tauchman, Brad Keller, Anibal Sanchez, Marwin Gonzalez, Melky Cabrera, Trevor Bauer, C.J. Cron, Aaron Nola, Willie Adames, Jay Bruce, and this looks like a rainbow foil Jay Bruce, Mike Moustakas, Max Stassi. David Price, Roman Quinn, Alex Colomb, Shohei Ohtani, Buster Posey, Jack Flattery, Brandon Drury, Chicago team card, Tim and Yolmer, Steven Strasburg, Orlando Arcia, Sammy Sosa, Decade's Best, insert, Adrian Morjan, and Danielle Palka. 2 packs left. Long video. Joey Lucchesi, Jim Candelario, Brendan McKay, Jake Mrazek, Eloy Jimenez, Cup card, nice. Izan Diaz, Aroldis Chapman, Malik Smith, Wade Davis, Joey Votto, Steven Matz, New York Mets team card, Ian Kinsler, and Matt Barnes. Oscar Mercado, Garrett Cooper, Brad Hand, Dario Agrazal, Liam Hendricks, soaking it all in. Pretty cool. Juan Soto, Brandon Crawford, Austin Meadows, New York Yankees team card, St. Louis team card. We got 1950s award winners, Orlando Cepeda, insert, Roberto Osuna, and Josh Rojas. Let's go with Rojas. Raziel Iglesias, Anthony Brendan, Albert Almora, Josh Bell, Kevin McCarthy, Udamaro Vargas, Matthew Boyd, Dansby Swanson, close call, you're out, Scott Kingery, Tanaka, Ian Desmond, Tommy LaStella, and Sean Murphy. Alright guys, 2 packs left. Patrick Sandoval, David Fletcher, Anthony Kay, rookie, Jeff, Mauricio Dubon, Bryce Harper, Michael Givens, strange, Minnesota Twins team card, Marco Gonzalez, Lewis Thorpe, Gene Segura, Roger Clemens, Jake Alberta, Christian Vasquez. Alex Verdugo, Nick Senzel, Nico Goodrum, Tony Gonsolin, that's a rookie, Stalin Castro, rookie Jordan Yamamoto, Miles Mikolas, Atlanta Braves team card, goodbye home run, celebrate Schwarber's walk-off home run card, Roberto Perez, Freddie Peralta, nice Aaron Judge insert, home run challenge card, pretty sweet, Aaron Judge, Blake Treinen, and Nick Markakis. Okay, now for that one special pack we have. Hope to get maybe a Jordan, a good rookie. Hey! Jordan, nice. Trent Grissom. Kyle Lewis, rookie. And Vlad Guerrero Jr. Not too bad. Alright, let's go through my picks of the box. Nothing great. I saw a Trout, but not a Trout base card. We got the Vlad, Jordan Alvarez, Aaron Judge home run derby, Roger Clemens 85, Orlando Cepeda, Sammy Sosa, Jay Bruce rainbow, Zach Collins, Willie Mays, Victor Robles. This is the Trout that I got. Max Scherzer. A gold Christian Yelich, Jeff Bagwell, George Springer relic, Houston Astros team, Jordan Alvarez, a rainbow DeGrom, Ronald Acuna Jr., Decades Next, New York Mets 1960s team, and Bo Bichette. Alright guys, you have a great night. Until next time.